These are complex systems. I don't care who you are, you're going to have problems. It's not that you're not going to have problems, it's you don't want to have very many of them, and it's how you address them. The worst thing you can do is not have a problem with a customer. That's definitely serious, you don't want to do that, but it's having the same problem again with the same customer, and that's what you want to prevent. And so how do you learn from your mistakes? To me, empowering customers with knowledge and data and information to proactively prevent issues that don't ever occur is I think, a huge thing we're doing with all this information that we're providing.
Our stuff plugs into Active Health, and Active Health is just absolutely phenomenal. It's I think Monique calls it gobsmacking, right? It's just absolutely going to change the way people manage their IT.
We want to make it super easy for the customer when they have a question or they have a problem, that we've got the data they need to solve the problem.
As an example, the first time when a customer phones in for support or to their contact, we'll often ask what's changed. And the customer often tells us nothing's changed. They might be unaware that a service person took the computer out of the rack, swapped DIMMs around, and then put them back in. And maybe put the DIMMs not in the same configuration they were before.
Immediately that server can, through ILO, say, I've had a problem, and now you'll have the information you need to come fix me. Before you even come see me on site, you'll already have my diagnosis information.
It's like a heart monitor that's always there, always running.
An external tool called the Active Health System Reader lets us view that information and do a lot of the correlation and analysis. That's the important part. Recording the data is one thing, interpreting the data is another thing. But being able to see something like, the temperatures have gone up and down, and being able to see errors and correlate chronologically that, the errors increase at the time the temperature goes high, hypothetically, lets us do the correlation between the data to determine what the problem is faster.
The reason we can do this is because we integrate the ILO technology, our system firmware, and our hardware platform together, and we have control over all those pieces together, which give us something that no one else can do because they don't own all the parts, right? They're buying them from different companies and they can't make them glue together like we've done here for Gen8.